Tesla semi-truck. Unveiled by Tesla in 2017, this all-electric Class 8 semi-truck has the potential to revolutionize long-haul freight transportation with its impressive range, energy efficiency, and cutting-edge features. Powered by multiple electric motors, the semi-truck boasts unparalleled acceleration for a vehicle of its size and a remarkable ability to climb steep grades even while carrying a full load. Range anxiety is a significant concern for electric vehicles, particularly for long-haul trucks. Tesla has addressed this issue by offering two different range options for the semi-truck, 300 miles and 500 miles on a single charge. The Tesla semi-truck is also equipped with an array of autonomous driving features. Its autopilot system assists with lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, the Semi features the platooning technology, which enables multiple semis to drive in a convoy, with one truck leading and the others autonomously following. The Semi's reinforced cabin is designed to protect the driver in the event of a collision, and the enhanced autopilot system is intended to minimize the risk of accidents caused by driver error. Volvo VNL Truck. The Volvo VNL is a truck that blends form and function seamlessly. From its bold, aerodynamic exterior to its meticulously designed interior, it's a vehicle that exudes both style and practicality. The VNL offers a wide variety of configurations, from the VNL 300 to the VNL 860, catering to different needs and applications. Inside the cab, drivers are greeted with a comfortable, ergonomic workspace. The interior is designed to maximize driver comfort and productivity. Features like the Volvo Active Driver Assist, which includes collision mitigation and lane keeping assist, contribute to a safer driving experience. A spacious sleeper area is available for long-haul drivers, ensuring they have a comfortable resting place during extended journeys. Under the hood, the Volvo VNL boasts a range of powerful and fuel-efficient engines. The D13 and D13TC, as well as the D16, deliver robust performance while adhering to stringent emission standards. The VNL is not just a powerful machine, but a smart one too. It features a state-of-the-art infotainment system, Volvo Infotainment, that provides drivers with information, entertainment, and navigation services. Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025. Unveiled as a concept several years ago, the Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025 provides a glimpse into the future of long-haul transportation. The Future Truck 2025 is not just a truck, it's a vision of autonomous transportation. At the heart of its design is the promise of hands-free driving on highways. This advanced autonomous system, known as Highway Pilot, enables the truck to navigate autonomously, making long-distance haulage more efficient, safe, and comfortable. The truck comes equipped with radar and camera systems that continuously scan the road and its surroundings, detecting potential obstacles and adjusting the truck's speed and trajectory to ensure safe passage. If a hazardous situation arises that requires human intervention, the system prompts the driver to take control. In this way, the future truck strikes a harmonious balance between automation and human oversight. The truck is equipped with high-capacity batteries that can be recharged during stops or swapped out for fresh ones, ensuring that the journey can continue without extended downtime. It boasts a sleek and futuristic appearance, featuring streamlined contours and integrated lighting that not only improve aesthetics, but also contribute to fuel efficiency. Freightliner Super Truck. The Freightliner Super Truck was a project initiated by Daimler Trucks North America, the parent company of Freightliner. The truck's sleek and streamlined shape significantly reduces wind resistance, making it more fuel efficient. Unique features such as side extenders, a boat tail, and optimized wheel fairings all contribute to its outstanding aerodynamic performance. The use of advanced lightweight materials such as aluminum and carbon fiber plays a vital role in reducing the Super Truck One's overall weight. This lighter construction not only enhances fuel efficiency, but also allows for higher payloads without exceeding weight limits. The Super Truck One utilizes a hybrid powertrain system that combines a fuel-efficient, downsized engine with an electric motor. This hybrid system helps the truck operate more efficiently in various driving conditions, further reducing fuel consumption. It aimed to push the boundaries of fuel efficiency, and it succeeded in achieving a remarkable 12.2 miles per gallon, a whopping 115% improvement over the baseline truck's 5.7 mpg. Walmart Advanced Truck. Often referred to as the Watt, this truck is a state-of-the-art semi-truck designed with a focus on efficiency. Developed by Walmart in collaboration with leading technology and automotive companies, this truck combines innovative features that are poised to redefine long-haul transportation. Equipped with an array of sensors, cameras, and advanced software, the Watt can navigate highways, maintain safe distances from other vehicles, and even make lane changes without human intervention. Fuel efficiency is a critical concern in the transportation industry. The Walmart Advanced Truck addresses this issue with cutting-edge engineering, including aerodynamic design and hybrid powertrain options. By reducing wind resistance and integrating electric components, the Watt achieves remarkable fuel savings. Walmart has set ambitious goals to operate a fully carbon-neutral fleet in the coming years, and the Watt is a key player in this endeavor. Willie Transparent LCD Bus. This futuristic vehicle concept boldly replaces the traditional bus walls with large transparent LCD screens, ushering in a new era of public transit. The idea for the Willie bus was conceived by Tad Orlowski, a visionary designer known for his innovative approach to transportation design. At first glance, the Willie bus appears as a giant moving glass box, but it's far more than just a design novelty. The entire exterior of the bus is adorned with large, transparent LCD screens, transforming it into a dynamic canvas for a multitude of possibilities. Passengers inside the bus can see outside as though they were sitting by a massive window, while those outside are greeted with a mesmerizing display of images, information, and art. Passengers can enjoy the scenic views outside the bus, even as the vehicle navigates urban landscapes. For those who suffer from motion sickness or anxiety during travel, this innovative design could offer a more soothing and enjoyable experience. Iveco Z Truck. Unveiled as a concept vehicle by the Italian industrial vehicle manufacturer Iveco, the Z-Truck represents a bold leap into the world of sustainable trucking. The primary goal is to create a long-haul truck that not only reduces emissions, but also incorporates cutting-edge technology to improve safety and efficiency. Iveco's vision for the Z-Truck revolves around three key pillars: zero emissions, zero accidents, and zero stress. At the heart of the Iveco Z-Truck is its commitment to zero emissions. The vehicle is powered by a natural gas engine, coupled with an electric hybrid system. The truck features an array of advanced technologies, including autonomous driving capabilities and an innovative cabin design. Volvo Electric Bus. Volvo, renowned for its commitment to innovation and sustainability, has unveiled its locally manufactured electric bus, designed specifically for the Mexican market. The bus boasts a low-floor body design, making it accessible and convenient for all passengers. With wide doors, it ensures swift boarding and disembarking, reducing boarding times and enhancing passenger flow. Available in various lengths, ranging from 9.7 to 13 meters, it can cater to the specific needs of different routes and cities across Mexico. The heart of the bus is an advanced battery pack, which varies in capacity depending on the bus's length. Ranging from 280 to 470 kilowatt, these batteries provide a substantial range of up to 400 kilometers on a single charge. Ford F-Vision Future Truck. This Level 4 autonomous truck is designed to operate without any human intervention, aligning with the European Road Transport Research Advisory Council's Autonomous Drive Road Plan for heavy commercial vehicles. Ford's designers drew inspiration from an unexpected source: comic book characters. One of the most striking features of the F-Vision is its ability to alter the design of its front end. This design flexibility provides a visual treat, allowing the truck to reflect the user's or owner's mood. Whether it's a bold and imposing appearance or a more subtle and discreet look, the F-Vision can adapt to meet the driver's preferences. The truck features a single door on the curbside, ensuring convenient entry and exit for the driver. Furthermore, the F-Vision boasts an automated link to its trailer, facilitating seamless communication and interaction between the two components of this heavy commercial vehicle. Powered by a battery electric drivetrain, the F-Vision is a zero-emissions vehicle. The electric drivetrain not only benefits the environment, but also reduces operational costs, making it a win-win for both trucking companies and the planet.